Pennsylvania, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 9 p.m. At 8:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near the Neillsville to Laurelville, moving northeast at 100 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement reported a tree down in Perry Township in Berks County at 7:44 p.m. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Bethlehem, Emma, Northampton, Allentown, Touchdown, Slatington, Fleetwood, Laurelville, Roundasport, Hudson, Leesport, Makersville, Valley, Beckelsville, Lyons, Leonardville, Ness, Town, and Zionsville. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 48 and 68. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 38 and 71. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Lehigh, and Northampton.